Hey guys, today I am playing with the Reindeer Feed Company transfer. This transfer is so awesome. It's a size D transfer. It's $29.99. I'm also playing with our 18-inch round boutique board. It comes with this super cute burlap ribbon that you could put right through the little slot at the top. I already see that I plan to hang this on my front door. I can't wait to. So right now I'm just fuzzing this transfer up because it's a gigantic one, and I am going to be putting it onto a round surface. So it was a little difficult for me to see where I wanted it to be centered, and I kept going to the left. I couldn't figure out what I was doing wrong there. You will see I am playing with it for just a little bit, making sure that I have all of the bumps out of the silk screen. I saw that I had a major bump in the tip of the reindeer's head. So I think I actually just wound up taking it off and doing it again. So sometimes with the bigger ones, you might have to play with it for just a little bit, but once you get it in place, it's gonna be perfect. And I think I finally nailed it right there. So I was pretty excited about that. So yay, now it's time to play with some chalk paste on it and get this bad boy all done. So I am using bright white chalk paste, green envy chalk paste, bark chalk paste, and our candy apple red chalk paste. So now let's go ahead, let's start with our bright white, and I'm gonna put it all over that Reindeer Feed Company area. I'm gonna make sure I scrape up all the excess, and then I'm gonna go to the bark and I'm gonna get that reindeer done. You'll see I mix that chalk paste up to a nice yogurt-like consistency. That's how we always want our chalk paste to be. And I opted for I call it a chalk and peel method because I don't want my chalk paste to dry out. So all I'm gonna do is pull it back to the bottom of that deer and then get my heat tool, and I am gonna dry all of that chalk paste up. Once it's all dried up, then I will go ahead and I will put the transfer back down nice and lightly over where it was, and then just make sure I have no more bumps again in the next area that I'm going to do. So now I'm going to take the candy apple red and I'm going to make sure I put it all over the little words. I did realize that I missed some spots, so I went back to cover it up. Then I'm going to go ahead and get that green envy and put it all over the lines. I just thought it would look nice and Christmassy. Super, super cute. That deer would just be absolutely adorable all by itself, by the way. And maybe a little sign at the bottom. It says Santa's Village. You could put that on maybe one of our box frames, the small box frame, and wouldn't that look super cute if you have a little Christmas village that you light up? You could use this transfer so many different ways, guys. So I'm continuing with chalk and peel. I made sure everything was all dried, popped it back down. Now I'm going to finish up Santa's Village. So I'm going to take that candy apple red, put it all over Santa's Village, and then I'm going to come back with my bright white and do the North Pole. And then it's going to be all complete. I love, love, love how this turned out. Yay! So I'm going to go ahead, just dry that up. And then all you need to do is stay tuned for the finished project pick. If you want these items and more, please be sure to come in and check out my online store. Thanks so much, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye.